So Bob, if Tesla is not a viable business model on its own, then who should buy it?
Well, first of all, you have to ask the counter question: why would anyone? And the only answer I can see is you'd buy it for the name and the reputation, because I don't think there's any battery technology or autonomous vehicle technology that isn't basically available to everybody else. So my guess is if someone were to buy it, it would be to acquire a very valuable brand. Would it be General Motors or Ford? I doubt that very much. Could be one of the Europeans. Could be an Asian producer.
Tata.
Could be a Chinese producer wanting to own a very, very powerful and legitimate brand. Or it could even be somebody who is not in the automotive business, like a Google or an Apple or one of the Chinese electronics companies. But that would have the problem that, once again, it would remain a small car company, not embedded in a larger automobile company where you have shared engineering and shared fixed costs. So it would remain a small, vulnerable producer, and the ownership would be in the hands of people who don't understand the car business, which, is always a problem.
Mm-hmm. What do you think about the other things Tesla's looking at, such as an electric semi? And, they're taking their car batteries too and making power walls that you can put in buildings and the like. Well,
that's been the whole power wall thing at Solar City has been an unmitigated 100% flop. I think, other than Tesla executives, I don't think there's 24 Americans who have put Solar City power walls in their houses. As for the electric semi, I think both of those were pushmobiles. They were elaborate things made out of a wood framework with plaster of Paris troweled on them. First of all, the total semi market in the States is so tiny annually that even if you dominated it, you're not talking very much volume. And secondly, every semi manufacturer, whether it's Freightliner,
Daimler.
Well, that's Freightliner.
Oh, it is. Yeah.
But
Volvo,
and et cetera, and even Cummins is coming out with a fully electric drivetrain for heavy trucks. So, again, not their primary business, and it would be hard to see that would in any way improve the fortunes, because you're not making a bold entry into a gigantic market. You're making an expensive entry into a market where, if you are successfully able to take business away from equally capable competition, it's still not worth it. And most fleet owners tend to stay with the same brand. So if you've got an interstate trucking company that owns like 1,500 Freightliners, and Freightliner says, we'd like to sell you 10 of our electric Freightliners, that's who they're going to go with.
Yeah. In terms of a company buying Tesla, another car company, what would the advantage be for them? I mean, the name, but it would no longer be Tesla, right? I mean, it would be.
Well, what you're really asking is, can you separate Tesla, the brand, from Elon Musk, the personality? And you could argue either way on that. And I think that's one of the reasons why the board may be reluctant to replace him, because I think most other boards would no longer countenance a CEO who has made such blatant mistakes that they result in a criminal investigation by the SEC and the Justice Department, which will effectively preclude him from raising capital. So it's by his intemperate remarks, he's really painted him into a corner. Any CEO in any large corporation would be on his way out. But I think the Tesla board frets and says, Yes, I know, he's a problem child. He's volatile. He's unpredictable. He's gotten us into a lot of trouble, but what would we be without him?
He's Steve Jobs. He's the vision.
Yeah.
Hey, look, we're going to have to wrap this up. We're going to go on another 4 hours easily if we don't cut it off right now.
It's been fun again.
Bob Lutz, thanks so much for coming on the show.
Thanks for having me. I always love it.
Yeah. Henry Payne, good having you on the show always.
Thanks,
Thanks
John.
for coming back. And Gary, it's always fun to do shows with you.
Thanks, John.
True. Yeah.
And of course, want to thank all of you for having tuned in.
So now the editing folks.
They'll fix
They've
it in
got
post.
several versions to pick from.
Yeah. Photoshop.